Ta-da! My Seiko watch that I pre-ordered before has arrived, so I'm really excited to see what they're gonna look like. Let's open the package and let's see what's inside. The packaging is very simple. That's the box. And the moment of truth. Ta-da! First look at the watch. What a beautiful dial. I like this texture a lot. Strap is pretty simple, nothing fancy, nothing to it. And here's the movement. Sapphire crystal. The packaging is very simple, nothing fancy as usual. The Seiko, they don't care much about this stuff, but the watch is really beautiful. I like it so much. I didn't expect that it's gonna be that nice. The buckle seems nice, stainless steel, and should be fine. The strap is very light, which is a good thing, I think. We'll see how it's gonna go. I'm just gonna adjust it and I'm gonna try it on my wrist. I wanted them to be on a bracelet, but the only bracelet option was a green dial, and I didn't really want a green dial. I like the blue version the best, so maybe I'm just gonna buy separate band, separate bracelet, stainless steel bracelet, and I'm gonna put it watch on it. We'll see. But for now, I'm gonna wear for like this, and we'll see how it's gonna go. Okay, I like the size a lot. It's really nice that it's not too big. I think it's perfect for my wrist. And I like this dial. It's really beautiful. I think it's a almost perfect watch. So 20 bar, I think that should be great for swimming. So that's really handy and really nice piece. Really nice watch. The watch was pre-ordered like maybe a few weeks ago, and the watch from Seiko Canada arrived to this company on Friday, and I got it following Monday, so that was pretty fast. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.